Hey guys, in today's video we're going to show you how to use the new kitting feature. So this feature is really good for when you have products that are below a set price minimum. So for example, if you had a bunch of modules that were 15 bucks, you might not want to sell them on eBay due to the eBay price and the shipping price. So a good way to solve this problem is use the inventory kitting feature. So you would go to inventory page, and you would hit create inventory kit. Now typically you're going to tie this to a particular model. In this case I created one called a lot of modules. So we'll tie it to the lot of modules and we'll give it a condition and we'll try to do a target price. So in my example I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different modules that are approximately $15 a unit. So what we'll do is we're going to sell these for $99, and I'll just say this is a lot of modules. Give it a title. You could give it a description, but you could edit that later. Now the concept is you're going to scan the IDs or serial numbers of those particular assets. So I'll start scanning, and what that's going to do, it's going to start adding the individual serialized assets to the list below. Now what makes this a nice feature is essentially you're selling these particular serial numbers on a lot kit. So it's going to generate its own SKU, and then essentially you're going to box up these units into its own box and put the SKU label onto that particular item. Now I just scanned my 7 items. We have them listed below. So you could continue and give it a title and description. So we could say it's a lot of 7. J485Cs. So we could beef that up a little bit. I'm going to give it a better description. A lot of 7, great. Description is that. And once you hit generate kit, it's going to print a new label, and that label is going to generate a SKU here. So we're going to wait about 30 seconds and we'll see what that looks like. So we just waited 30 seconds, generated SKU 210559. And that's going to print a label. So when I hit close, if we went over to the receive inventory page, you're going to see a item here created, and you can see it's right here. It's called lot of modules. Now what's nice about this feature here is you could look and see, okay, it's a kit item, and then below are the items that we added to that particular unit. Now what's real nice about this is you could take the serial number or ID that's generated here, and if you use the relocate function and I said move this to say pallet 2, it's going to make the move, and then you're going to see below all these items are located in Bow House, and now they're all moved to PL2. So eventually you're going to sell this item, and this will potentially sell on eBay, Broker Bin, or various other channel. So we could click sales orders, generate a new sales order here. And we're going to use RazorERP as the customer. Now we're going to say we sold that particular SKU, and we'll hit we sold it for $100 and hit the plus sign, and it's going to say we have one available. So when I allocate or auto allocate or allocate this item, it's going to assign the 7 serialized assets that are tied to that kit. So it gives it a very nice grouping and very easy way to create bundled listings and group them into one kit, and then make it easy to sell on eBay or Amazon. So that's how you use the kitting feature, and also works with the pick list functionality to let you know where that particular SKU is located.